1. Intro. Engine gives its best performance at certain temperature. When we start in cold, engine temperature is low. In this condition, there is incomplete combustion of fuel. It results in low fuel efficiency and low mpg/kmpl. Clearances in moving parts are already very small. At lower temperature they are reduced. This increases wear and tear of engine. It results in low engine life. Safe engine operating temperature should be reached early. Thermostat closed when engine is cold. Sketch is shown above. Figure 1. It stops the flow of coolant going to radiator to increase temperature in short time. During this time, coolant flows back to engine through bypass line. When desired engine operating temperature is reached, thermostat valve opens. Thermostat open is shown in Figure 2. It allows water to flow to radiator. With thermostat open, bypass line is closed. 2. Symptoms of a bad thermostat. 2.1 Engine overheating problem. With thermostat closed, there is no circulation of coolant through radiator and there is overheating. Open radiator cap and check circulation in radiator. Figure 3. If no circulation, it indicates bad thermostat. In such case, replace bad thermostat. 2.2 Cool engine. Engine takes long time to reach working temperature. Probable cause: thermostat not working or thermostat stuck up in open position. When engine is cold, start engine and observe circulation in radiator. There should be no circulation. If there is circulation, it indicates bad thermostat. Replace it. 3. Thermostat replacement. Select proper thermostat specified for the engine. A sketch and specifications of thermostat are shown in Figure 4. 3.1 Opening temperature. Different engine models have different operating temperatures. Accordingly, thermostat open temperature is specified. Thermostat open temperature is normally between 82 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. Thermostat fully open position is normally 20 degrees Celsius above this. For optimum performance of engine, ensure that opening temperature of thermostat is as specified. 3.2 Height. If height is less, then when thermostat opens, bypass valve may not get closed. This will reduce cooling capacity and can result in overheating of engine. If height is more, it may cause obstruction in full opening of the valve. Less opening of valve will also result in overheating. For running without thermostat, when engine overheating problem is faced, some people run engine without thermostat. This results in engine operating temperature very low for much longer duration. When engine operating temperature is low, there is incomplete combustion. It causes low mpg/kmpl. Also, due to reduction in clearances in moving parts, it causes more wear and tear of engine. This causes drastic reduction in engine life. Also, when thermostat is removed, it is necessary to block bypass line. Otherwise, flow through radiator is reduced as alternate shorter path is available. In that case, it will increase overheating problem instead of reducing it. Considering all these, is it safe to run without thermostat? Thank you for watching this video. In case you need any clarification, please feel free to give your comment. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.